Everyone thinks Voyager 1 was humanity's first interstellar ambassador. They're wrong. For decades before Voyager even launched, two smaller, tougher probes were already blazing trails, quietly pushing the boundaries of the solar system. Their names, Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11. These unsung heroes were the true pathfinders, venturing into the deep cosmic ocean long before their more famous successors. Launched in the early 1970s, Pioneer 10 and 11 weren't just probes, they were testaments to raw engineering grit. Their mission, to brave the asteroid belt, survive Jupiter's crushing radiation, and then Saturn's rings, all while sending back invaluable data. And they accomplished it against all odds. Pioneer 10, specifically, was the first spacecraft to cross the asteroid belt without incident. Imagine navigating a field of planetary shrapnel at unimaginable speeds. It was a perilous journey, deemed by many as almost suicidal for a spacecraft of its era. But it made it. Then came Jupiter. Pioneer 10 delivered humanity's first close-up images of the gas giant, revealing its swirling storms and complex atmosphere in unprecedented detail. It was a scientific triumph, opening a new chapter in planetary science and proving that robotic explorers could withstand extreme environments. Pioneer 11 followed, building on its sibling success. It not only visited Jupiter, but then performed a daring flyby of Saturn, providing the first direct observations of its rings and moons. This was before even the mighty Voyagers had left Earth's orbit, setting the stage for their grand tours. But their true legacy goes beyond these initial planetary encounters. After their primary missions, both pioneers were cast adrift, their trajectories set on an irreversible course out of the solar system. Their mission became one of endurance, a silent testament to human ingenuity against the void. For decades, they continued to send back data, faint whispers across billions of miles. Pioneer 10's final signal was received in 2003, 31 years after launch. Pioneer 11's last contact was even earlier, in 1995. These weren't just data points, they were farewells from distant friends. One of the most intriguing mysteries associated with the Pioneers was the Pioneer anomaly. For years, scientists observed a tiny, unexplained deceleration in their trajectories. It was a baffling puzzle that sparked numerous theories, from unknown forces to subtle design flaws. This slight deviation, roughly 1/10 billionth of the Earth's gravity, persisted for years. It forced scientists to re-examine fundamental physics and even consider exotic new particles or dimensions. The anomaly became a frontier of scientific inquiry, driven by these two distant probes. Ultimately, the Pioneer anomaly was attributed to a far more mundane cause: anisotropic thermal radiation. Heat radiated unevenly from the spacecraft's radioisotope thermoelectric generators, creating a tiny, persistent thrust. A simple, elegant solution to a profound mystery. But the anomaly's resolution doesn't diminish the Pioneer's importance. It highlights how these distant, aging machines continued to push the boundaries of our understanding, even in their twilight years. They forced us to question, to innovate, and to confirm our physics. Both Pioneer 10 and 11 carry the famous Pioneer plaque, a golden anodized aluminum plate designed by Carl Sagan and Frank Drake. It's a message in a bottle, intended for any intelligent extraterrestrial life that might one day intercept them. The plaque depicts naked human figures, the position of our sun relative to the galactic center and pulsars, and the hydrogen atom's hyperfine transition. It's a cosmic Rosetta Stone, a snapshot of humanity in the vastness of space and time. Today, Pioneer 10 is estimated to be over 12 billion miles from Earth, and Pioneer 11 is not far behind. They are truly in interstellar space, drifting away from our sun at immense speeds, silent and alone. They are the first human-made objects to cross the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence wanes and interstellar space begins. Long before Voyager 1 officially announced its arrival, Pioneer 10 had already been there, sending data from the unknown. Their instruments are long dead, their power sources depleted, but their journey continues. They are cosmic derelicts, carrying humanity's first message to the stars, a profound symbol of our species' inherent drive to explore and to understand. These humble pioneers, often overshadowed by their more famous successors, laid the groundwork for all deep space exploration that followed. They proved that we could leave our cosmic neighborhood, survive the journey, and send back stories. Their silent signals, though ceased, resonate through history. They remind us that the spirit of exploration isn't always about grand pronouncements, but often about persistent, quiet journeys into the dark, illuminating the path for those who follow. The pioneers continue their lonely voyage, our first interstellar emissaries, forever drifting through the cosmic ocean, carrying a piece of Earth into the infinite. What other forgotten space missions deserve a deeper look? Let me know in the comments.